Do you know many people are having trouble with using the altitude feature on their digital watches? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Enter altimeter. Switch your watch to altimeter mode by pressing the mode button. Ensure your watch displays altitude readings on the screen. Step 2. Start reading. Press the start button for altitude readings. Observe the real-time display of altitude in meters or feet. Step 3. Set intervals. Pull out the crown to set reading intervals, selecting between different preset times by rotating the crown. Step 4. Set reference. If needed, adjust to a known reference by rotating the crown. This ensures accuracy in your altitude measurements. Step 5. Track changes. Utilize the differential function for tracking altitude changes. Hold the specific button to set the starting point. Step 6. Save readings. To save your readings, press and hold the Save button until confirmation appears, storing the details securely. After these steps, you should be able to effectively use the altitude feature on your Casio ProTrek PRG-600. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Casio users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.